So what would happen if we have two James in the database and they both have different surnames? Let's try that. So I've got James Evans already inserted in the database table. So now I'm going to insert James Smith. I'm going to hit done and insert name and alert full name inserted. And now I'm just going to go up to here and click get surname and find out all the surnames related to James. And as we can see, we only get Evans in the results. So what we need to do is we need to write some code that will handle that scenario. So inside the if statement, if rows.getRowCount is greater than 0, I'm going to keep this line and I'm going to add to it. So text area answer dot value equals text area answer dot value plus, I'm going to do some concatenation, rows dot field by name and argument is surname, and I'm going to add a blank space at the end of this line. There. Next I'm going to write a while loop. So while, open and close single brackets, rows dot is valid row, open close single brackets. Later on I'm going to explain what this does. Open and close curly brackets, cut that and paste it under here, and under this line I'm going to type rows dot next, and that's a method, so open and close single brackets. So what's going to happen here is that we're going to loop through all the rows in the rows variable, and every time we are finished with one row we're going to move on to the next one and we're going to check to see if it is a valid row. So let's run that now. So run Android emulator, save changes, yes. So here I'm just going to type James, get surname, and we can see that Evans and Smith appear in this text box. Now because I'm doing this form of concatenation, every time we loop through we're adding a surname to the text area answer. So if we were to click get surname again, we could see that we're duplicating the while loop and we're just adding more surnames to the text area answer text box. So all we need to do is simply drop down here and we just need to empty that text box before we do our while loop, and it's quite simple. All we need to do is type text area answer dot value equals, and it's just going to be an empty string, so open close double quotation marks. So we could test that now. We're happy with that. And I'm going to type in James again, get surname, Evans and Smith appear, and I'm going to click get surname again, and we can see that problem's solved. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and best of luck with the Titanium database module.